At the end of World War II, the world began a feast of division. Even Spain, which did not participate in the war, benefited from this feast. Some German scientists fled to Spain to make a living, and they contributed to the development of Spain's military technology. The rocket artillery, in particular, saw significant development after World War II, with larger caliber, increased range, and improved accuracy. However, having rocket artillery alone was not enough. It needed to be installed on mobile vehicles to create self-propelled rocket artillery. Designers experimented with various wheeled vehicles. But the most unique modification was conducted on the Sturmgeschütz III assault gun. As one of the main equipment of the German army during World War II, the importance and combat capabilities of the Sturmgeschütz III assault gun were unquestionable. Perhaps in an effort to win over Spain, Germany provided some weapons and equipment to the country, including approximately 10 assault guns. The Spanish military used them until they were retired in 1954. The modification work was carried out around the 1970s by the Marañosa factory. The original fixed fighting compartment of the Sturmgeschütz III seemed to have been dismantled in the experiment, and a rocket launcher with adjustable elevation was installed above the fighting compartment, pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. The launcher was rail-mounted. The launcher fired 300 mm caliber G1 rockets, which were very large in size. Each rocket weighed 365 kilograms, was approximately 2 meters in length, and had a cylindrical shape without wings. It traveled on a spin-stabilized trajectory and had a maximum range of 18 kilometers. With such heavy ammunition, manual loading was not feasible. There was a slanted metal bracket above the engine compartment at the rear of the vehicle, which was used with a lifting device to place the rocket on the bracket. The rocket was then pushed into the lowered launcher, and the launcher was raised for firing. This self-propelled rocket artillery was clearly experimental and had no practical combat value. The vehicle was too tall, had poor firepower density, and the loading process was cumbersome. It also could not carry spare ammunition inside the vehicle. No practical combat version was developed afterward. However, it likely contributed to the advancement of Spain's rocket artillery technology. Today, Spain is one of the countries capable of independently developing and producing advanced self-propelled rocket artillery, which can be traced back to the accumulation of technology from that time.